Action.
Action!
Action! How about that?
Action, Jackson.
Hey, we'll get busy. Hey, Sassy Shoppers.
Look, she makes me do all the hard work.
Yeah, well, Ava was supposed to have done this while I was
Ava!
gone. She's fired again. So, anyway, these are super cute.
These really are cute.
But it's hard to show you because they're not steamed. Ava!
Ava!
But look how cute that is. See the arm, which is all the rage right now? You can wear these with some cute little white capris or little white tribal pants that just came in.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and you know what I like about this particular model?
What?
You can tie the sleeve to be tighter. Like you can put it up here more and tie it tighter. Because people say, oh, that bell sleeve is just going to drive me nuts.
Can you tie it over your shoulder, throw it over your shoulder like a continental soldier?
If he's lucky. But anyway, so, I mean, we know y'all think we just sit here and look pretty all day. Did you put your Cheetos down? Anyway, you see all this work we have to do? We have to take it out of the box.
We're going to hang it because Ava won't do anything if we're not here to crack the whip. Clearly.
She changed the shirts up there.
Well, babe, what? Did she steam that one?
Probably not.
And I told her, I said, Ava. Anyway, so this just came in. We were super busy today. Raymond, show him that thing with the vest. Just right there.
The red, white, and blue?
Yeah, see, look at that. You can wear that for rodeo, or you could wear it to,
wear it as a swimsuit cover.
Or for the 4th of July. Look at that. So, you guys, if you see something you like, you need to hurry in to get it because we're already sold out of. This is the last one of these we have. This is the last one.
I wanted one of those.
Well, I wanted this.
Well, I wanted that. I wanted that too.
I never get anything.
Oh my God.
So,
I'm wearing last year's attire.
Oh, boo-hoo. What do I have on? Last year's dress. Except this morning somebody told me I looked sexy in it, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna wear this more often.
Huh.
So anyway, if you see something you like, you need to hurry in and get it because it doesn't last long. Raymond, you're really making me... So we have a new cameraman. His name is Raymond.
Can you tell?
And I'm hiding from him. Look at these shorts.
Look at those shorts.
How cute are those? And they're long enough. The mamas say they're too short, but they're not, mothers. They're fine.
And they're great for the soccer mom.
And the girls say they're too short. Well, they're not. I mean, they're not short enough. Well, they're plenty short. Just pull them up, Sheri. Just pull them up.
You know, the mom shorts are in.
The high-waisted shorts are all the rage.
Oh, and let me just tell you.
Sheri, come over here and help me. Why am I carrying the water on this?
So, you know, I met a transvestite last night at the rodeo. It was quite an interesting conversation.
Did Blake Shelton have the flu?
Blake Shelton had the flu. Where was I going with this? Oh!
Transvestite.
So I told her to come see us because he said it was really hard for him to find clothes that fit certain areas.
Where does he live?
Well, I didn't ask that.
Well, it might be pertinent as to whether or not he can come shop at the
Well, I
Sassy
gave him our card.
So he could look us up on Facebook.
Yes!
And order things.
And on
our website. Oh, I kind of need to update the website a little bit.
Oh.
But you can always order on Facebook. You can private message us and all that kind of good stuff. So look at this that we only have one left of that is so cute. Move over, Sassy.
Your boobs are in my way.
Look at this. This is the last one. We just got it in and it's already almost gone. See, oh.
And look at this. But this also looks cute with jeans.
I wore it the other day with jeans.
Oh, she looked fabulous. Just ask her.
And I looked fabulous. Just ask me. So, what else?
And this would be a fun rodeo piece. And let me tell... Okay.
Back to you.
There definitely were some wardrobe malfunctions out there. I wanted to go up to these little girls and go, baby, you forgot your pants.
But, you know, she's been saying that for years. That's her shtick is...
But they do forget their pants. I swear this girl had her boyfriend's top on with no pants.
Well, you know, hold on. You could wear this, so...
But wait.
There's more. So, look.
Look at this.
You could wear... You know, they're showing this long with no...
Pants?
Or with some short shorts and just kind of open with a white tee. It's kind of a sexy, just got out of bed look. And these sleeves.
Do they have the JBF hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the sleeves are super cute once we figured them out.
She did look cute in it yesterday.
If I do say so myself.
Ow!
Hey, Sheri lost 5 pounds this week.
5
Look,
pounds.
doesn't she look good? Where'd you lose it all, Sheri Berry?
I hope I sent it your way. And look, Deanne's working on growing some more fingers. Look at this ring. Isn't that cute? And you know what I love about it? You can size it.
So you don't get it on and get it stuck?
And look how pretty that is. One of a kind.
Oh.
And then there's this one. I mean, how cool would that be at the rodeo? Like, people would be coming up to you saying, "Ooh, I just love your ring."
Especially the transvestites.
Yes.
Look at this cute little outfit.
So cute.
You could wear this to rodeo
Well, I couldn't.
with some little mules.
That would be cute.
Uh-huh. And it's got the cold shoulder.
Got the cold shoulder.
But it's a little not super flowy.
Right.
But it covers the waterline.
It does cover the water.
And the butt. But it's not too much material.
But it's enough.
But it's
And it comes in pink.
purple.
Purple.
It's not pink, it's purple.
Fuchsia.
She doesn't know.
Fuschia.
I thought you were going to say another F-U. I was scared.
Like, shut the front door.
Yes. So, anyway, so y'all better hurry in if you see something you like because
Yeah,
it's
because like this.
almost got, well,
Is there poop hanging out?
Bessie, put your clothes on, sister. Bessie is a little small, her shoulder. Hold it up. But isn't that cute? And it's got the little thing in the back. Look, with the, that, what's that called? Elastic. It kind of, so it gathers. So it's not as flowy as it looks like it would be. So that's really cute. And Suzanne came in to see us today.
I know, I missed her.
I know, she bought her something for rodeo and her daughter something for rodeo. And then a couple other things.
Huh.
So that was good. So anyway, oh, watch this. Keep taping. Oh, I thought that guy was going to come in and try to sell us something. I was gonna.
Look at this.
How cute is that?
And I tied it up, but you don't have to. You can tuck it in.
You see, this is what the back looks like.
It's hard to show backs like on these things.
It really is. But
It really
who
is.
put this on yesterday? That little cutie pie?
Somebody else bought one this afternoon.
How about that?
I know.
We only have 2 left.
I know. We just
Jeez.
got that in last weekend.
So that is why you should visit the Sassy Assy once a week so that you can get your sizes and everything
boyfriend.
before it's gone. Capris.
I love these too.
I do too. We need those.
I love this color too.
Hey, did I tell you that Carrie Sager's going to be one of our models for the fashion show?
That's amazing.
Because, you know, she's
awesome.
She's amazing. So, anyway, what else do we need to talk about?
You know, I saw so many little short skirts out there.
Should I wear it?
Yes. All the way up to there.
That doesn't really cover...
And cut the nipples out.
That doesn't really cover the waterline, does it?
Not much.
Not too much. But, hey, we need to talk
and I
about...
think we only have one of these left.
So, yeah, that's the last one.
Very last one.
Extra small.
Extra small.
And,
Look at
but
that.
Isn't it cute? And it's super cute with this underneath it. That's how Suzanne bought it, was this whole outfit.
Oh, that's going to look
It was so
Is that
cute
for
on
her
her.
or her daughter?
Her, for rodeo.
It's going to look so cute.
She
on
was
her.
she tried it on to give to her daughter, and she said, "Oh no, I'm keeping this."
Oh, good.
I said, "Okay."
She's darling.
She is so cute. So we're having a sale.
We are having a sale. When
So-
is this going to be broadcast?
When's this gonna air, Raymond?
Because, you know, YouTube
Today?
is forever.
Can it air today?
Yeah, we'll air
Okay.
today.
So the sale is today, which is the 2nd, right? March 2nd.
Yes.
And March 2nd and March 3rd. If you spend $100, you get 10% off.
Suggestive advertising. Keep talking.
And if you spend $200, you get 15% off.
And if you spend $300, you get 25% off.
Is that right? 20%.
20%.
20%. She doesn't know, but we have it written down. And if you spend over $400, you get to have a mystery drawing of a bigger percentage off.
And we don't even know what it is.
No,
You just have to draw it.
You know why? Because it's a mystery drawing.
Yes.
That's why we don't know what it is. So look, see
So
how
did y'all
this is
see
reversible?
this? It's reversible.
And how easy it was to reverse.
And look, this little bag comes inside. So, how many people... Did you know spring break is coming up?
Yes!
Spring break is coming up. How many people are traveling?
Tons.
Not me.
Well, me neither. Hey, and did you know that we're getting some more Claire Sun Woo in? Probably Monday.
Yes, and we're getting that new California
Summer
moonrise.
moon,
She's
loving, silver
it's
moon,
moon,
purple
shadow,
moon,
blue moon.
some
I'm
kind of moon thing.
California moonrise.
Well, who knows? Why
Not
isn't it
that
Texas
hard.
moonrise? Why couldn't it be Texas moonrise?
Because it's California.
Why couldn't it be amazing moonrise? Why couldn't it be striped moonrise?
Okay,
Rise.
whatever you took this morning, I'm gonna need you to not.
Look how cute this is. So listen, ladies, I know everybody is is afraid of the stripes, but the horizontal stripes, but this is super cute on because if you'll notice, there's enough stripes going vertical and slanted that it makes you all look really skinny, and it's curved at the bottom, so it's not boxy, as Sheri likes to say.
It's not boxy.
So you need to come in and buy this so I don't take it home because I don't need any more clothes.
Word.
Look,
Look. Do you know about our Crazy Larry pants?
show them the Crazy Larry
These are
pants.
Crazy Larry
Drive me
pants.
crazy.
They're stretchy. And look at these great colors. How many different colors could you put with this? It's a pull-on pant, no zippers, buttons, snaps, or belts. And they're amazing.
Amazing! They are amazing.
They really
And
are amazing.
Look at this top. So a little mom came in today and bought this because her daughter goes to Baylor. I mean, not Baylor, A&M. Whoever's maroon.
A&M and
Cypress, CFNB, whatever it is.
BFND.
So look, $21. It makes a great Christmas present, a great stocking stuffer, graduation
it.
present, Easter, whatever it is. It's lightweight for. Oh look, she has to copy me now.
And again, did you know spring break's coming up?
Spring break!
Spring break. Look at this fabulous color.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
I'll just throw this up here and Ava can fix it.
I was about to say, Ava's going to have to fold it.
Yeah, because she folds better than we do.
Yeah,
And
apparently
so-
she steams better too when
When she does it, if she's not going to get fired for steaming. So look, this is the last one of these that we have. If you need a super cute rodeo outfit, this is an extra large, ladies, and it would fit me, and it would be really cute on me.
And you could wear it with leggings.
You could, yeah, but it'd be better just with boots. And so this would be great for rodeo. And there's still, what, 2.5 weeks left?
Debbie Fitzgerald said there was 17 days left.
Well, there you go. 2.5 weeks. What did I say?
Oh.
So, if you want this, you need to give us a jingle and come and get it. So, Sheri, is there anything else we want to show people?
Yeah.
Did we show y'all this? This super cute, look, it's made out of an old Louis purse. Look, oh, there's a UPS! Are they backing in? Are they coming to us?
No.
Oh, go out there and trap them. Shoot their tires out.
So this is a winerita. Inside, so there's a glass. Hold on, let me put down my coffee.
Oh, for the love.
Koozie around a wine glass. And inside here is a mix, a winerita mix. You mix this with some white wine and some ice, and it's yummy. And now you have a protected koozie cup that you can sip around the pool or out on the beach or wherever you may go. Are you back to your Cheetos? I lost 5 pounds this week. I want to go eat some cauliflower.
Well, I'm trying to find them.
Please.
Trying to find your 5
Here.
pounds.
Take it.
Hey, have we shown y'all these? Oh, don't forget about our rain boots.
Oh my God, did you know April showers bring May flowers?
Go get the other ones. Can you put your coffee down?
Why do I have to do
Look,
everything?
how I'm doing things. Look how cute this is. Look at that. So, you know, it's like this, and then when you go to get in the car, all the water goes out. So, or if your sister's walking by, you can do like that and splash her with water.
But she would never do that. Look, this matches the rain.
How about that?
I mean, is that
And
not
these
cute?
are boot warmer socks that you can take
out. Just like that.
You can just take them out if it's too hot. Would you like me to get that? Why do you have those shoes on?
These are my shoes.
Huh.
I mean, seriously, look at the bottoms.
Whatever. So anyway, all right. So
why do you have that dress on?
it's leftover.
Why do you have this on?
It's leftover.
Maybe I'll just go naked. Barefoot naked.
No, no.
No, let's not.
That's barefoot and pregnant.
Oh, God, no.
Look at this super cute crazy train skirt for rodeo. It's got the fringe and it's stretchy. It zips, but it's stretchy.
Yeah.
So it's really cute. And we've got some cute little denim tops to go with it. So I'm bored. Is that enough YouTubing?
Yep.
Okay. So bye, Sassy Shoppers. Come see us.
Bye.
Sheri, tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Bye, Felicia.